to address the Soit/Transmara land issue. Second, to set the record straight. And third, to thank the national government, and especially the Minister of Lands and the Minister of Interior and the coordination of national government for the immense support towards resolution of our land dispute. The land in question is the property of the three respective companies, as said above, acquired through legal and lawful purchase dating back to the year 2012. Since then, we, the owners, have never enjoyed peaceful, quiet possession as entitled by law, hostility from the wearing and protesting encroachers who have always chased and threatened our lives whenever we wanted to gain access to our property.
Encroachers are claiming this property, but they offer no proof that this property belongs to them, except sitting on our property and chasing our rightful right to occupation and use when we desire. We have been subjected to this a number of times before, but again, we thank the national government. This is a country that is governed by law, and we are all subjects of the rule of law. We invite anybody aggrieved, anybody laying a claim to this property to follow the law and face us wherever the law dictates we should. We won't be picketing and calling names out there because we are men and women of honor. We look forward to enjoyment of our full property rights